Constipation is a common digestive problem in dogs which can cause discomfort, pain and even more serious health problems if it left untreated. It happens when a dog is unable to pass feces regularly and the feces become hard and difficult to pass. Follow these different remedies to relieve your dog constipation. By implementing these remedies, you can help your dog feel more comfortable, and it will prevent future occurrences of constipation. Use coconut oil for relieving your dog constipation. It will act as a lubricant and can help soften their feces. Add coconut oil in his food and you will get good results. Use apple cider vinegar to get rid of this problem. It is made from just apples and water, and it is completely safe for your dogs. Add 1/4 teaspoon apple cider vinegar to their food or water. You will get amazing results. Make sure your dog has access to fresh water at all times. Encourage them to drink more water by adding it to their food, or making it accessible to them in various locations, because dehydration can lead to constipation. Add sweet potatoes to your dog's food. These vegetables are rich in fiber. It will encourage regular healthy bowel movements. It will reduce constipation and diarrhea depending on the fiber type. It's important to gradually increase the amount of fiber in their diet to avoid causing digestive problems. Green beans are rich in fiber. This small and tasty vegetable is a unique treat for dogs with constipation. And this will help to clean the colon and stimulate bowel movements. Your dog will get ease from constipation. Exercise is another great way to relieve constipation in dogs. A daily walk or playtime can help stimulate the digestive system and promote regular bowel, and it will prevent constipation. A gentle abdominal massage can also help relieve constipation in dogs. Simply place your hands on your dog's lower abdomen and gently rub in a clockwise direction for a few minutes. This can help stimulate the intestines and encourage a bowel movement. Use Waruva pumpkin puree pet food for your dog. It is grain-free and gluten-free, and free from any artificial colors and preservatives. There is no corn, wheat and soy in it. It is free from any artificial colors and preservatives. It is rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps to support gut motility and stool quality. You can feed your dog daily, or you can give it as a supplement. Follow all these remedies, you will see good results in your dog's digestive health. Your dog will feel better. But if your dog is not feeling well, then visit your nearest veterinary. Your veterinarian can recommend a safe and effective product for your dog.